This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Okay, gardening fantastics, something great is happening. Check it out. This is a Sansevieria snake plant mother's tongue by its, I guess you say, ghetto names, whatever. You see those, well, you probably can't, it's bleary when you get close up on it, but you probably, I need a pointer, hold on. Let me get something to point with. Okay, gardening fantastics, I'm going to try and do my best to point. Right there are some little white tooth, snarly looking teeth right there. Those are roots coming out of this snake plant leaf that I don't know, I guess it's been over 2 weeks. This is pretty fast for me this time. This is not my first rodeo, so I'm kind of impressed, particularly because it's happening so fast. I don't remember it happening this fast rooting. But look at there, look at there. These cuttings, snake plant cuttings, are from a snake plant that I propagated. So it's from a propagated plant. So the leaves I use are from a propagated snake plant, and now I'm propagating the plant. I'm propagating its leaves. It's propagated leaves. How about that? Let me get it right. Let me get it right. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Look at those roots. And it's going to get pups. That's what's going to happen. People call it pups. When you plant this in some soil, and it'll grow new plants, and the pup is the one that's going to have the fresh leaves, because when you propagate the snake plant, you probably cut it, and you don't see that beautiful sword edge. But the pups, when they come, you'll have a brand new plant. And this is the beauty of knowing how to propagate plants, because you can create more. You don't have to spend a bunch of cash. That's what it's all about. Recreating, or whatever the word is. Oh, I struggle. But anyway, I am so happy to share this with you guys. Hope you guys are having a great propagating time. And if you didn't know what it was before, you know now, because basically look like all I do is try to grow more plants. Can't wait to go. Supposed to be going to Home Depot because I got to get me a scrubber. I think somebody took my scrubber. The male people, they don't do right over here by me, y'all. I was expecting that scrubber for my floor. But now I have a reason to go to Home Depot. And while I'm there, you best believe I'm going to get a plant that I can propagate. And I'm going to share it. So anyway, welcome all the new subscribers. Hey, y'all. Hey. Send your friends. Send your families. Send the ones that love gardening. Okay, I'm going to let y'all go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to use that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know when I put up new videos. Later, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Thanks for your time and support.